guys, so today I'm doing my kind of a brief review slash first impressions of the new Drunk Elephant A Passioni Retinol Cream. I've had a chance to try it out now, so I thought I would kind of give you guys kind of like a quick overview of my first thoughts of it, and you guys can decide if you want to spend your 74 bucks on it or not, because it is a little pricey. I'm going to do a quick overview of my criteria, and my first criteria is packaging, and they've done a nice job packaging this in a metal squeeze tube. Pretty nice packaging overall. However, I have a feeling when you get down to the very bottom, it's going to be hard to get those last few drops out. But overall, very nice packaging. My second criteria is alcohol, and this does not contain any denatured or drying alcohols. This is also fragrance free and really has no scent at all. So very nice. The manufacturing location is the US, so again, no issues with that. My fifth criteria is ease of use, and they recommend using a pea-size amount over your entire face, and I'll be honest, a pea-size amount did not cover my entire face. I had to use a lot more than that. And it is 1% retinol, so I do recommend, if you haven't used a lot of retinol before, mixing it. I mixed it with the Drunk Elephant Protini Cream, and then just start out slowly. Probably use it once and then skip 3 or 4 days. Or if you're mixing it, you can mix it in a small amount and kind of gradually increase the amount of the retinol you include in the mixture over the course of a couple weeks. So 1% retinol is kind of the highest I've ever seen in skincare products. So just be careful if you haven't used a lot of retinol before, or if you've used retinol in smaller percentages like 0.25%, you're definitely going to want to start out slowly mixing it. You can also mix it with the B Hydra serum that they have, or the Lala Retro cream. You can really mix it with almost anything, although I do recommend using it at night, and in the daytime use a sunscreen, just because retinol can make your skin a little bit more sensitive to sunlight. So it's very easy to use. In terms of antioxidants, it's got niacinamide, retinol obviously, vitamin C, several peptides, vitamin E, glucosamine, propandiol, jojoba seed oil, broccoli. So it's got several different beneficial and antioxidants and other emollient ingredients in there. I really wanted a pea-sized amount to cover my face, but that just did not work. So, but lots of good antioxidants and beneficial ingredients. My seventh criteria is animal testing, and Drunk Elephant is cruelty-free. My eighth criteria is performance, and I really have liked using it so far. I usually use the Paula's Choice 1% retinol. I found the formula and a lot of texture and usage pretty similar with it. So, and the performance as well, pretty similar. The only thing I do want to recommend is if you have acne-prone skin to be careful, because it does contain several ingredients that can cause breakouts: stearic acid, cetearyl alcohol, jojoba seed oil, apricot kernel oil, avocado seed oil, soybean oil, lauric acid, olive fruit oil, vitamin E, laureth 23, and stearic 20 are all ingredients that can cause breakouts. So just be a little bit careful. My ninth criteria is the price, and it is expensive. So the full size is 1 ounce, which is the tube, and it's $74. Although retinol and vitamin A is more of an expensive ingredient, and Drunk Elephant's more of an expensive brand. So the Paula's Choice, which is kind of similar in a lot of areas, is 1 ounce as well. I think that one's $56. So it is a little bit pricey. And then my 10th criteria, the it factor, I gave it the thumbs up. I really was excited for this product to come on. I'm excited to see what else Drunk Elephant comes out with this year. So I'm sure they'll have a couple more interesting products coming out. So overall, I gave this a preliminary 9 out of 10, and I'll be doing a full comprehensive review after I've had a chance to try it for a longer period of time. So, and then also I'm kind of interested in seeing what else you guys want me to review. I've gotten a few new products. I know I love the new year because the Christmas stuff goes on sale and then new stuff comes out, but I picked up the new Touch Violet C Serum, which I was pretty excited to pick up. It's not live on Sephora, but I think Influencer sent a bunch out to people, and it seems to be popping up in Sephora stores. So I've got that. I've got a couple new number 7 masks, or they call them skin pastes. So I've had a chance to try those out. I've got a lot of different, I've got the snail bee essence. I've got a snail repair ampule, and I also have the CASARX snail serum as well. So, and I've got a couple, or several new of the Blythe products. I know they came out with these toward the end of the year, but they've got a lot of different primers, so, and essences, so I picked some of those up. What else do I have? I picked up several of the Truly Organic line products. Ulta had them, so I've got several. I've got their cream. This is just a giant tube of soap, which is very heavy, I'll say that. They also had a fun moisturizer, so picked up a few of their things. And then new sunscreen from Claire's that I've been trying out. So really so far liking it. So I'm interested in what you guys are interested to see first this year. CASARX Aqua Face Mist. And then a few other Stila products. She came out with, or the brand came out with a new primer and new foundation, which are in these mammothly heavy jars. So if you travel a lot, they're not the most friendly. So I don't know, let me know. Oh, yeah, I also got the Toleraine Night Sensitive Skin Night Cream. So I don't know, let me know what you're interested in seeing first and what other brands you're interested in seeing this year. So that's kind of it for now. So definitely leave a comment if you've had a chance to try the Drunk Elephant Retinol, or if you have an opinion on what you want to see me review first, definitely let me know. And Happy New Year, and thank you guys so much.